Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change or rename your Mac username. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes. Type password. Right-click username. Click Advanced Options. Change or rename your full name. Click OK. Your username is changed successfully. Click the lock to prevent further changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.